Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of smartphone technology news is HMD reorganizing again, and here come more entry-level phones plus accessories. It seems that HMD Global is once again going through internal changes. If our memory serves us right, this could be the fourth major reorganization since the company was founded. The latest to leave was Chief Marketing Officer Lars Silberbauer, who exited the company back in April. Executive reshuffles aren't uncommon in tech, but with HMD, they seem to happen a bit too often for comfort. Despite the internal shifts, HMD is preparing to launch a fresh batch of phones aimed at the crowded and unforgiving budget segment. Based on leaks from Samachar 60, which have proven to be accurate in the past, though not always, we might see up to 5 new models hit the market soon. Unfortunately, most of these seem to be running on the same tired hardware we've seen countless times before. Let's take a look at what's supposedly coming. HMD Bold, possibly a Skyline-inspired design for India, but with extremely modest internals. 6.74 inches HD plus IPS LCD, 90 Hz. Unisoc T7200 system on chip 50 megapixels plus 0.8 megapixels main camera / 8 megapixels front camera 5000 mAh battery, 20 watt charging. 4 GB and 128 GB for 7,999 rupees, 6 GB and 256 GB for 9,999 rupees blue and brown colors, expected Q4 2025 launch. HMD Candy 5Ga chip full name with slightly more capable specs. IPS HID display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 108 megapixels main camera 50 megapixels front camera. Snapdragon 4, Generation 2, system on chip, 5000 mAh battery, 33 watt charging, comes in colorful finishes. HMD Vibe 2 4G seems destined for the affordable US EMEA segment. 6.56, HID, LCD, 120 Hz. Snapdragon 685 system on chip, 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels back camera, 8 megapixels front camera. 6 GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery with 20 watt charging. Sand gold and shine black colors. HMD Key 2, low-end QHD device, maybe to scratch that basic Android itch. 6.5 inches IPS LCD, 60 Hz, QHD, 1280 x 576. Unisoc SC9863, A system on chip. 13 megapixels plus depth rear camera, 5 megapixels front camera, 3 GB 64 GB, 4000 mAh battery, micro USB charging. HMD ARC2, an ever so slight bump from Key 2 to 6.5 inches, IPS LCD HD plus 1560 x 720, 60 Hz, same Unisoc SC9863, A system on chip 13 megapixels plus depth rear camera. 5 megapixels front camera 4 GB, 64 GB, 5000 mAh battery, USB-C. But phones aren't the only thing HMD is preparing this time. The company is also reportedly working on launching a smartwatch, a smart band and several new wireless earbuds, making this the most well-rounded product launch in its history so far. It's a clear signal that HMD wants to build more than just phones. They're aiming for a small ecosystem. I haven't tried their AMPD buds, but judging to their previous accessories, I wouldn't expect much of the new Dub series, P60 and S60. I hope these are not worse than Huawei's FreeBuds 6i, which are a thing you should avoid at all cost. While we always leave a bit of room for HMD to surprise us, these leaks aren't doing much to raise excitement. Most of the devices seem to recycle old chipsets and hardware that belongs in the years behind us. However, what could save the lineup, at least partially, is good software and solid optimization, something HMD has often done right in the past. Let's hope they stick to that tradition. Is one of these models meant to be a Nokia C-series successor? Is Boldy aiming to grab the attention of the Indian market? Are Candy and Vibe destined for the US prepaid crowd? A lot of questions remain, but if these are the highlights of HMD's late 2025 strategy, then the company will need a lot more than a reorganization to stand out in the ultra-competitive Android landscape. Still, with a full lineup of devices and accessories coming, it might be one of HMD's most ambitious efforts yet. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my electronics technology channel. And for searching my channel, please write at the rate electronics technology 50.